Hello everyone, I am super excited because I have a great project for you guys today. Welcome to Gazelle Creative Studio, my name is Uriel. Please subscribe to this channel because I will be bringing great projects, creativity and inspiration. It is collaboration time, so here are the hosts. Connie's Woodshop and DIYs and Rustic and Lace DIY. As co-hosts we have the Grace Life DIY Home. The links to their channels and the playlist will be in the description box. For the first DIY, we will use a wooden heart dowel piece, like this. 2 laser cut hearts, one for the front and one for the back, a ceramic candle holder, some yarn, a wooden round and a ring, and lastly some paint. First, we want to paint and red the wooden round and let it dry. Next, I will spray paint and gold this heart and the ceramic candle holder. I will do this in my garage and let it dry. I will move along and paint my next item in red, which is the wooden ring. I will go ahead and cut 25 strings of yarn. Once folded, they will make 50 strings. I made a mistake in cutting them a little short, but in the end, everything worked out. The next item I need to paint in red is the dowel. The heart is painted in gold already, so I will paint only the bottom. Next, I will paint the surface for the laser cutouts in white. Now it is time to attach all the strings to the wooden ring, as you can see here. I will glue the ring to the dowel's top using tacky glue and let it dry. Next, I am going to find the center of this wooden round and drill a hole. Now that these hearts are dried, I will glue them to the front and back of the larger heart. Using a screw, I will attach the wooden round to the dowel. It is time to glue all the strings to the wooden round to form our Valentine tree. While building this tree, I remembered I had a string, so I will attach it with hot glue. Finally, it is time to attach the final piece using E6000 glue. For the second DIY, we will need a heart dowel, one laser cut heart, a wooden cube, some raffia, and metal ribbon. First, I will find the center and drill a hole to place the dowel. Next, using tacky glue, I will attach the laser cut heart and the dowel in the cube. Using some jute twine and raffia, I will create a bow and attach it to the wooden piece. The metal ribbon will be placed around the base. I will bend it as needed, and I will secure it with a screw, as you can see here. Here is the final reveal. What do you think of these pieces? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.